Yung agaw with Chris Camus against 3 players.
Wow.
Wow.
I mean, I've been saying this.
Playing more comfortably now. He's playing the 4 position.
Correct.
Sometimes he's playing the 5 the early years in USC.
The guy is all over the place, both on offense and defense. At sinagot naman sila sa kabila. Tabla tayo dito. Late 30. Paulo P. and Manyara ang naghaharap sa sentro. Sa gilid, tumira na naman si Nuiles. That is only his second triple of the season. 2 out of 6 ng Adamson at UST. Lamang po ng 5 ang koponan ni Coach Leo Austria. Gawin mo ng 8. As Janos Lozada, 7 points. Dahil long 2 pala ang tinawag. Ito, agaw na naman. Nuiles all the way!
Nuiles!
All pumped up. Adamson.
For UST, habang naitatalang puntos itong UST. Nuiles naman, tumira ng 3. And he gets it to go!
You don't give him that space. Alex
Nuiles looks at Lozada underneath. Vigil looking for help. He gets it, but Lozada fades away, and Adamson, partner, is 7 out of
question the mental game of
Correct.
Adamson.
Correct.
The athleticism, the game is there. And
finally, offense. Carmelo Abuang
he was starting the second quarter for them. With Ato Alvarez starting the point guard.
Rodney Brondial is already in the game, and look at that execution.
6 assists now for Adamson.
Wow.
It's only
But he will not stop shooting, that's for sure. Fortuna gives it up. Dang! Puts it up and in.
But they're going to take it. UST again in transition.
Puntos na ang UST sa kanila execution. A Samsung Smart TV courtside report, experience a smarter life. Join in. Alvarez for 3, and he gets it to go.
Corner wasn't covered by UST. And the last shot of Thompson.
They just need to know how to use them. That seems to be the case right now as the Falcons look to make another statement game against USC.
Thank you very much. Your team is in the field. Fortuna. This guy can beat up any time. 14-footer.
That's what we're looking at. That's going to open things up. Perimeter shot.
Stopped by Camus. Camus making it happen on defense again. Camus. Off the glass.
Well, he can take on Manyara from the perimeter. Manyara will just wait for him down there, available in the next game.
A minute to play in the first half. Everything falling.
Wow.
For Adamson.
Lozada just using his height advantage over Jerry.
Abdul, trap. Oh, no traveling call.
So he's getting
the
his
break.
numbers.
Back to you.
Thank you, Tina. Samsung Smart TV, courtside report, experience a smarter life. Join in, and Kevin Fidel with his first field goal of the game, and it is a 3. Alvarez, hesitation, stepping back. Oh!
Oh, what a quarter for Leicester. Defense was all there, boom.
Abdul saves it. Oh! Alvarez.
Whoa! What a shot, boom!
Woohoo!
Adamson here in the third.
Fortuna, nice fake. Puts it up and in.
Wow. Off the bench here in the
10 on the shot clock. They go back. 3 post to Abdul. Puts it up. What a drop step. Go back to Abdul. Oh, what a dish.
Yes. And Camus was ready for it. So, inside scoring here first half.
8 points. Nuiles, catch and shoot. Gets it to go. In the face of the rookie. Wow. 3 on the shot clock. Gamson puts it on the floor, fades away. Yes!
One tough shot after the other for Adamson.
Wow. Gamson. Etrone for 3.
Wow. Out that way. Continues.
No foul called. Manyara picking up scraps. Jarek Teng sidesteps. Sets up.
Oh, here they come. Here they come.
Timeout pala ni Coach Leo Austria yun. Inside, Lozada.
Wow, moving well without the ball.
Again, execution to that start.
Yep, that burst.
16-0 start.
From 0-2, it became 6.
Chris Cabos opened up our scoring here at 2-0. 16-0 run by Adamson. And that guy also continues to burn. Woo! UST 19 big points. And Adamson.
Yep, and well, there's one more thing I got to say. Probably happy birthday, Boom, before we have
sige.
this game on this finishing game.
Go ahead.
Yep, Adamson winning, and will it be on Wednesday? And we'll be celebrating your birthday.
Oh, I forgot about that.